Every year, I go to the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's where the latest of technology is being premiered worldwide. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm at the CES 2025 show here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Consumer Electronics Show is on its way. They're releasing the new prototypes, everything new for consumers around the world to advance in technology even better than we've been before in 2024. This is the show of the year to see what the future is going to look like. Come with me to the CES 2025. Let's go. It was so exciting for me to see the AIPER 2025 booth in Las Vegas. Well, they had done an amazing job to showcase their robotic pool technology. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm at CES 2025 in Las Vegas, and I'm at the AIPER booth. AIPER is known for the very best in pool cleaning robotics. Let's check them out. Come with me. AIPER makes a whole line of robotic pool cleaners. AIPER feels that you should be able to take a vacation in your own backyard, and to do that, a beautiful crystal pool gives you that experience. Pool cleaning can be expensive when you hire services to do that. Well, not anymore with AIPER. You can do this with their robotic cleaning technology. You don't have to wait for your pool man to come to have that clean pool anymore. AIPER solves that problem to give you that vacation pool every day of the year. AIPER at the CES 2025 revealed its new AIPER Scuba S1 Pro. This is the most advanced and robotic pool cleaning technology. They even had a swimming pool in the middle of the convention center showing it at work. It's a cordless robotic pool cleaner. This new model has an incredible battery and dual motors, so it works your pool and in 45 minutes can clean a very large pool. It can clean up to 2,150 square feet for a pool size. As it's cleaning the water, inside it has a dual filtration system, so your water is sparkling like we see here in this pool. There hadn't been those types of filtration systems before. This is what the basket looks like. I took it out of a model to show you. This basket will get down to 3 microns of filter power. Now that's going to get any algae or fine dust from the atmosphere that'll settle into your pool. The AIPER dual filtration system is what's going to make for really clean crystal water that's inviting to use your pool. This small size of a robotic pool cleaner has 100 gallons per minute of suction, so when this robotic cleaner will go into a pool, the power is so strong it cleans the pool fast. Now we're seeing it here going down to the bottom of a pool, but it also will use a tractor structure to climb the walls and scrub them on the way up. That gets rid of any algae or water spots that have gotten onto your pool, any stains from dirty water. At CES, it was amazing to see it work firsthand in this clear, transparent pool. I was impressed to see AIPER's booth. Every section of it was explaining their excellent robotic technology and how advanced they've come with their leading pool cleaner. I was lucky to be there for a press conference.
Your wait is over. We're excited to introduce you to the next era of pool cleaners, your new poolside hero, the out-of-this-world, intelligent AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max. We believe that time is better spent creating memories, not battling the dirt and debris. And just like any hero, the Scuba X1 Pro Max is designed to rise to the challenge.
One of the things that I think I did more than watch baseball or play baseball growing up was swim in my pool with my family. Arizona actually is #1 in the entire US for pool ownership. And you start thinking about who do we want to align with to bring a world-class experience to our fans and their customers, it's AIPER. They're the world leader in cordless robotic pool cleaners. And we think about what that's going to do not only for the lives of all the Arizona residents and people around the globe, we're excited that people can spend more time enjoying baseball and time with family in the pool and less time cleaning their pools.
Today, we're celebrating a partnership built on shared values and a shared vision for improving lives. At AIPER, we've always believed in the power of innovation to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. From the very beginning, our mission has been to create products that not only simplify life, but also elevate its quality.
And he spoke on stage and I got to hear his background. What a baseball celebrity, and he's from hot Arizona, where there's pools in almost every backyard.
We found the all-in-one pool solution. It has everything you need, and it is the Scuba X1 Pro Max, and it is the best in the business. So when we talk about hitting it out of the ballpark, AIPER did just that in their solution. So the Diamondbacks have joined the AIPER team. My family and I have joined the AIPER team, and I am asking for you to join the AIPER team, the best in the business.
And not only will it clean the floors and the sides of your pool, it also will get the leaves that are floating on top. Now, I hadn't seen this before. It actually sucks in the water, so it's vacuuming up the leaves at surface level, and those leaves are going into the filter. Windy days can cause so many leaves to hit the top of your pool. To see the demonstration of how this happens right up front at the AIPER CES booth was amazing. I was speaking to the salespeople at the booth and finding all about these brand new product features of the Scuba X1 Pro. I wasn't the only one fascinated by this new Scuba X1 Pro. Everybody around me was also interested in these features. They had not seen them either before. It was exciting to see this product roll out at the CES 2025 at the AIPER booth. I inspected the scrubber on the front of the Scuba Pro. The rubber is a tough, durable rubber, but it's not too hard, so it doesn't scrub. See the squish factor here? That makes it so it can scrub the walls and the side of your pool to get the algae off. It's a softer but more durable rubber than ever before within robot pool cleaning technology. If it was too hard, it really couldn't scrub. This was an advancement. I inspected the treads on the Caterpillar-style tractor forward propulsion wheels. That's going to grab onto the pool surfaces for the traction you need as the motors are sucking up the water at 100 gallons per minute. You need both those things to happen. You need the water to be pulled in while your robot pool cleaner is moving forward. And the Scuba X1 Pro with the side caterpillar mechanism is designed for fast and efficient cleaning on your pool bottom. Isn't that amazing? What amazing advancements in pool cleaning technology so you can take your vacation at home. Click the link below to check out more about AIPER and get their pool cleaning robot right there in the description box. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for a really clean pool with AIPER.